Don Mardayaw, for me, when there is a Holy Week, I know you're a Catholic. Can you just stop making fake account on Facebook? You know, me, I never want to make fake account on Facebook. Just like what happened to Teacher Gia Malana, what happened to Teacher Vincent Ramos. This is all my fault that I made the fake account on Facebook. I created the trolls. You know, Danmar, you need to stop. I'm just gonna say to you, Danmar, why can't you just stop creating fake account? If I make you a fake account, I will put you in my enemy list. Danmar Dayaw. If you want street fight, okay, let's have street fight without gloves. Who is telling a lie? Who created the fake account on Facebook? Oh, who frame Mrs. Annie Gill? Who frame Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Oh, you. You started this, Danmar. You're the one who framed David Gill to attack Cedric Mariano. That all speculation are false. To create fake account, you're the one who make fake account of Rocky Tulog. Oh, it wasn't Teacher Gia Malana. If you're watching this, Teacher Gia Malana, I just wanna apologize. I will punish to those two imbasalt. Danmar Dayaw. Those three imbasalt. Danmar Dayaw. Ate Dina Guillermo. Teacher Alexander Pagkainawan. Sangkay Janjan. And also Romeo TV Vlog, who created the fake account on Facebook. Don't you even know, Danmar? Facebook is a social media. You even know that you want to bully me in social media. You want me to be you want all you want Kuya Rodelio Daguman to be humiliated. You want Conan Taruk to be humiliated. Even Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David Gill, I'm sorry, David Gill, you want to be humiliated? You know, Danmar, I am sick about your toxicity. Remember, if Carlos Kanahashi is watching this, do not accept this fake account of Danmar Dayaw named Rodelio Daguman. Huwag nyo tangkilikin yan ng yung fake account na yan because you know Danmar is starting chaos. You know, Danmar Dayaw, have mercy to yourself. Look at Ate Marisol Siaco and their son Paulo Siaco. Oh, they're asking me, who's that account of Rocky Tulog? Oh, who's the account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman? I explain it to Ate Marisol. The pathetic Marcos loyalist, Danmar Dayaw. Oh, you know, Danmar, with all due respect, you need to stop. You need to stop creating fake account. And, you know, me, I don't want to create fake accounts eh. For me, I'm not coming to Japan in December. I will stay here in the Philippines. I don't want cold place. I want spring. You know, Danmar, you should stop this creating fake account. Okay. Let's continue my press con. Alright. You know, for me, Danmar, I do not want to create fake account on Facebook. Facebook, Danmar, is a social media. You have to stop creating fake account. You know, I know I put Danmar Dayaw and Ate Dina Guillermo in my enemy list. Even Sangkay Janjan. All of you are responsible for creating fake account. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. For creating the pathetic fake account on Facebook. Even those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos, you're creating about fake account. How would you create fake account in social media, Danmar? Denzel is warning you, Danmar. I'm just saying. Tumigil ka na sa gawa ng fake account, Danmar. I'm warning you. And I say again, remember, when Roylan Marlang said to me, hindi po yan si Rodelio Daguman. Fake account yan. He said it. You know, Danmar, quit on your creating fake account on Facebook. Oh. Quit it. I don't care about your creating fake accounts to troll Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He has nothing to do anything to you. He's not talking about politics. Me, I respect cerebral palsy. Like aside of Lawrence Villawan, Paula Colin Nunez, Sir Paulo Cua, I respect my best friend, Jens Manaid, that he doesn't talk. Oh, Jens, he doesn't talk. Oh. Jens is my best friend. Oh. You know about Jens Manaid, he never create fake account. Oh, me, I never want to create fake account. This is very Holy Week, Danmar. Holy Week is showing your lots of sins. You know, when you're telling a lie, Danmar, if you're Catholic, you will be in hell, Danmar. Remember that. You know, my friend Ayub Tantush, my Libyan friend, said to me, if you tell a lie, you go to hell. Oh, last 2015, he said to me, oh, but it's an Islam culture who say about lies. You, Danmar, when you create lies, you lied to me that Rodelio Daguman is attacking at Cedric. Kuya Rodelio Daguman claims you are a liar. Oh, Mrs. Annie Gill claims she has nothing to do with Cedric. He's a liar. Oh, Danmar is a liar. What is wrong with you, Danmar? What is your problem that you are jealousy at Cedric? About his art? About his drawing? He's a very talented person, and I think you are messing in the first place. For me, Danmar Dayaw, my accusations against Danmar Dayaw, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Sangkay Janjan, and other BBM bloggers, stop creating trolls. Just like I said before, stop creating trolls, stop creating fake account. If I say that Bongbong Marcos is bangag, he's really bangag. My dad said it already. You know, aside of my dad, Ate Isa, I'd say, Bongbong Marcos is bangag. Nanay Net said Bongbong Marcos is bangag. Even my friend Jens Manaid, he say it, Bongbong Marcos bangag. Even Teacher May Tiburcio, who said it, Bongbong Marcos, bangag na po siya, o bangag na si Bongbong. Danmar, if I were you, manahimik ka na lang. That's why Best Pills, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, he's very angry at you. Galit-galit na si Best Pills, so you said it. Napakasinungaling mo, gawa-gawa ka pang fake account. Is that true to make fake account? To create the manipulation to attack Cedric, to create dummy accounts? It's not really good.